सो रामकृष्णन कुछ एम्फेसाइज कर रहे कि कैसे हमारी इंफॉर्मेशन Hello friends, today I am going to have a discussion on highly interesting and important topic, that is delving into science of aging and mortality. Now why it is important? It is important for your prelims and it is also very important for your sociology and anthropology optionals topic, right? Because it is telling us some facts. Now this person is Nobel laureate Venki Ramakrishnan. You should be knowing him. He has made us proud. Now he is telling something very important on the process of aging, right? It is telling us that how evolutionary process do not know about longevity. It has nothing to do with that. Okay, and he has written a very important book. You might can get question that who has authored this book. So Ramakrishnan have authored this book, Why We Die, the New Science of Aging and the Quest for Longevity. And in this work, he delves into what causes aging and examines the efforts to extend the human lifespan. So human lifespan is very crucial topic for us, for UPSC and in general. Now let's see what he is talking about this topic. Recently we have got an article in the Hindu newspaper, right? And it was talking on this theme only. So the important point to take away from that article is that Ramakrishnan is arguing that how we can understand evolution, right? And what is the role of evolution in shaping the human lifespan. So according to him, natural selection prioritizes that enhance reproductive success, not longevity. तो जो नेचुरल सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस है वो आपको रिप्रोडक्शन में हेल्प करता है बट नॉट ऑन लॉन्जेविटी. सो यू कैन से दैट एवोल्यूशन डजंट केयर हाउ लॉन्ग वी लिव. नाउ एजिंग इज अ बाय प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एवोल्यूशन फेवरिंग जीन्स दैट हेल्प अस पास ऑन आवर DNA. So these topics are really helpful for us in your science and technology topic, right? So you can get questions on these very important topics. Now let's understand this, what he is talking about. Now we can say that employing model organism for research into delaying aging has deepened our understanding how aging occurs. So Ramakrishnan कुछ emphasize कर रहे कि कैसे हमारी information, how we have got such important knowledge on the theories of aging. So he is explaining and emphasizing that a comprehensive examination of various species, right, in the natural environment can provide us with significant insights into the aging process, right? And what are those species? So he is telling us that the distinct biological traits of certain underground rodents recognized by their lack of fur could reveal spatial attributes responsible for their usually extended lifespans, and as could studying bowhead whales and sizable tortoises. So now Ramakrishnan underscores the importance of these organisms in uncovering crucial genes and pathways. So दो important part आपको समझ में आना चाहिए, crucial genes and pathways, right, that play a role in lifespan, including those related to IGF-1 and TOR. Okay, so IGF-1 and TOR. By modifying the genetic makeup of organisms with short lifespan, scientists are able to quickly assess how specific genes and treatments impact health and lifespan. So you must always add this updated information to your very important topics of UPSC. Now how you can think that what questions can come? See, I am not UPSC body, I just can think, right? And this is a job of a teacher, and I think this is the job of all UPSC aspirants, that they should know that, okay, why and how questions can come, right? And it is only in that endeavor I am trying to say that, you know, we can get a questions on this. So how we can get a question? I think the TOR pathway. सो ये कुछ एक इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन हमारे लिए हो सकती है. So the TOR pathways. So you can get, I think you can get questions on your preliminary, right? So objective type questions भी इसमें बन सकते हैं, and then definitely it is going to be really very important for your GS3 and also for anthropology students, right? So the TOR pathways, what is that? A short for target of rapamycin pathway. So it is a crucial cellular signaling pathways. तो क्या है ये? Crucial cellular signaling pathway that regulates various process, बहुत सारे process को regulate करते हैं, like cell growth, metabolism and aging. So TOR pathways is important for us to understand that okay, it can help us because it is regulating cell growth, metabolism and aging. So it plays a very important role to nutrient availability and environmental cues to control cell function. Okay, so inhibiting the TOR pathway, target of rapamycin pathway, as seen with medications like rapamycin, can impact longevity and age-related health outcomes by altering cellular process. So researchers study this pathway extensively to understand its intricate connections to aging and disease programming. Now, what other question can come on this related topic? I think UPSC previously also have asked question on mitochondria in their PYQs. Now we can think on these topic as well. So what is mitochondria? So mitochondria are organelles in cells responsible for producing energy. So energy house भी जाने जाते हैं, right? And it is very important, play a significant role in the form of ATP through a process of cellular respiration. So mitochondrial activity involves the functioning of these organelles to generate energy for various cellular process. Okay, so यहाँ पे एक topic आप समझ सकते हैं. Then DNA repair. So DNA replication is a direct topic in your anthropology 1.7. So basic structure of cell में ये direct topic है और कितनी बारी UPSC ने anthropology में पूछा भी है. So DNA repair, so is a crucial process in cells that fix damages to the DNA molecules which can occur due to various factors like environmental exposures and normal cellular process. So as organisms age, okay, so as organisms age, the accumulation of unrepaired DNA damage can, okay, lead to mutations and genomic instability, contributing to the aging process and age-related disease. So efficient DNA repair mechanism help maintain the integrity of the genetic material. Okay, so you can understand the DNA repair, right? And then there is one more important topic, that is pollen guidance. Okay, so अब ये सभी कुछ topic थोड़ा सा extra पढ़ना चाहिए और हम सोच सकते हैं कि अच्छा ठीक है, इस पे कुछ हमारे पे question आ सकता है, and it is going to help in creating our knowledge base more stronger. So pollen guidance, often summarized as eat food, not too much. Mostly plants emphasizes a diet focused on whole, natural foods, moderation in portion size and a plant-based eating approach. So this advice encourages consuming a variety of vegetables, whole grains, fruits while limiting processed food and excessive meat intake. So the mostly plant aspects highlight the importance of prioritizing plant-based foods. Okay, so this guidance promotes a balanced and sustainable approach to eating for overall health and well-being. So whensoever guys you are finding, any such articles, okay, for instance here you can see it was there in all the leading newspapers. So whensoever you are finding these type of information, make some bullet points, okay, make some pointers on it. So because it is very important, he is a Nobel laureate, Venki Ramakrishnan, and then he has written a book, Why We Die, The New Science of Aging,